Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, as well as Saturday Morning Makes, which will be Gloria from Girliest Cards, Lisa, You See Why I'm a Diva, and Jillian Norwood. And this week's for hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, we were doing birthday cards. So I have two of them to share with you today. And as you see, this is my first one right here. Let me show you the things that I used to create this particular card. So I am using, from Honeybee Stamps, this Gingham Galore Holidays. And I am using like this light brown color right there. And I am also using the large die of the month from Spellbinders, and this is from July 2021, that mini slimline envelope. And this had been going for $10. This was a great buy. I didn't get mine for that price though, but wish I had. And then my focal item I got from My Creative Time, and right now this is on clearance in her shop, and I love this set. It is so pretty. I'm so happy that I picked it up. I'm using this flower, this vase, and that happy birthday right there. I love it, and as well as the coordinating dies. I love that flower. It is so pretty, and I did not save the markers that I use, but love how that turned out. And then I also used the what is this one, 5001 from Diamond Dots, and I used I want to say about 7 of those, and I just put them around the card there, and there goes my happy birthday there. I love this card, and I love that background die, that stamp of the month die. It is just so pretty. Love it. And then I did lay one of those layers in the inside as well. Just too cute. Love this. So that's the first card, and on to the second card. And here goes my second card. It turned out so cute. I imagined it to be mostly white, and so that's how it turned out. But let me show you what I used to create that. So first off, the distress inks that I used was Worn Lipstick, and then I also used Scattered Straw. The enamel dots came from Jelly Bean, and I picked this up from Tuesday Morning a while back. In the inside of the card, I'm using this Hope you have a very happy birthday and eat lots of cakes. So I'm using that. As well as from this set here, I'm using this little balloon, and that's in the inside as well. And this outside die here came from Whimsy Stamps. I love this die. I think it's called Sprinkles or something like that. Sprinkle Scallop Rectangle die set. So love that set. And from Spellbinders again, this is a little balloon set, and it came from another whole set, but I separated the balloons. But this came from, I got those from there. The balloons came from My Favorite Things, and I'm using both of those there. And this Celebrate came from Darice. I love that Celebrate. It's so nice. And then in the inside of the card, I'm also using this piece here, as well as the backer piece to go on the back side of that. But love how this turned out. I did make my own paint splatter with those distress inks there, and I just layered that up so that it can be like an ombre effect. And then It's Your Day, that came from this set from My Creative Time, Celebrate You, and there it goes right there. But yes, I thought that turned out so pretty. It was just like I had imagined. So, and it was inspired by Pinterest. Theirs was a little different, but I love white background cards. And then there goes the inside of that card there. I actually completed it, the whole thing in the inside. So I'm really happy about that. But I love both of those cards. So make sure you visit all of the ladies there. I'll have their links down below to help you out. All right, that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.